In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, paradise or Jannah is the ultimate abode of believers, a gift from Allah to those who have lived a righteous life. It is a place of eternal bliss where the faithful will reside in the presence of their Lord, free from sorrow, pain and fear. Imagine a garden of splendor with rivers of pure water, milk, honey and wine flowing beneath trees that bear fruits of every kind. The beauty of paradise is beyond human imagination, with gates of pearl, streets of gold, and palaces of crystal. The righteous will be greeted by the angels and will be reunited with their loved ones who have passed before them. They will enjoy the company of the prophets, the martyrs, and the righteous in a community of love and harmony. In paradise, there will be no more suffering, no more tears, no more pain, only eternal joy, happiness, and contentment. The believers will be rewarded with the fruits of their labor and will be given the highest honor to be in the presence of Allah, the Most High. As the Quran says, and indeed, the righteous will be in paradise, among the blessings and the good deeds, upon thrones reclining upon them, enjoying the sight of their Lord in a garden of delight, where they will never know fear, nor grief, nor sorrow, nor pain, but only joy, happiness and contentment forever and ever. May Allah grant us the blessing of paradise, and may we strive to live a life that is pleasing to Him and worthy of this eternal reward.